Get ready for the year's most significant blockchain event in India, the Bharat Blockchain Yatra 2023, commencing at IMI Kolkata.
This event is a fantastic opportunity for students like us to immerse ourselves in the world of blockchain technology and gain insights from industry experts.
We are proud to be the first management institute in the Eastern region to host the Bharat Blockchain Yatra event.
The networking opportunities at the Yatra are unparalleled, allowing us to connect with visionaries, experts, and policymakers within the blockchain ecosystem.
If you are unfamiliar with blockchain, there is no need to worry. Engage in intensive workshops and panel discussions designed to provide a comprehensive understanding. Now we need to explore diverse real-world applications that is spread across various sectors.
And make sure not to miss the bootcamp. It's a great chance to showcase your learning abilities and become a driving force behind blockchain technology.